Phoenix 2000 front propeller. I hope this one will have some power. Hey, yeah, this one has power, man. Look at the climb rate. Yeah, this baby can climb. Alright, I'm cutting down the throttle. And now we just glide. That's what we do on gliders.
No voice.
Of course, no sound at all. Let's do a pass because this baby can climb up easily, so. Something.
Okay.
Now you got it? Okay, now I will climb up. I saw a bird flying even higher. Ah, damn, I need glasses too, I think.
Lost.
Lost it? Okay. You see, when you fly gliders, you need to sit down and just enjoy flying because they fly real long time. Okay, I'm climbing up again. I will push the battery to limits on this one and see until the battery dies. Got it? Well, we also have enough power to climb up like that. So I think this is our first FPV bird. It's going to be because it has ample power. All I need to do is mount the camera a little bit higher so it will not take the propeller lines. But rest, boy, this is fun. I'm just sitting here getting lazy. Battery ran out of power, man. That was the smoothest landing, man. Wow, that's 37 minutes. Sorry, that's 30 minutes exactly. Maiden flight. Yay, baby. Okay, here we are, Phoenix 2000. Oh boy, I have never had this long flight in my life before. Let me disconnect the battery and check. The cables are just warm. The battery is just warm. Let's check the voltage. This is a 1800 mAh 11.1 volt battery, 3.1, 3.15, 3.47